Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to 2021. Happy New Year's to all you guys watching. Thank God that horrendous year is behind us now. So let's just all hope and pray that 2021 is going to be a better year for all of us. So to start out the year right, we're going to be talking about the little SYXMOTO 125 pit bike here. So what I've really wanted to do on this thing is design a custom graphics kit. Now the graphics on this bike, honestly, they're not really bad. I love the colors. I love like the teal with like the Nardo gray on top of the black plastics. I think it looks great. I just kind of want to make it my own a little bit, make this one stand out a little different than all the other ones. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump on the computer. I'm gonna show you the website that I'm gonna use to design these decals, and then we're gonna order them. Hopefully they show up sooner rather than later, and then we're gonna go ahead and get them installed. So let's go, guys. Let's go upstairs, get on the computer, and start designing some shit. Alrighty, everyone, welcome to my home office area. So this is where I hang out and edit all of my videos, as well as all the vlogs for the Alexa Collins YouTube channel. It all happens right around here. But this is where I spend a lot of my time, just kind of like a little man cave over here. We got some arcade one-up machines, little fake fireplace, TV on the wall, cool little accent wall. But okay, we'll stop talking about that. Oh, look at this blanket, super cool. My dog's on there, that's sick. So we're gonna jump on here. I'm gonna show you the website that I use to design my graphics kit. No secret. Motocal, very popular website. A lot of people use these to design their custom graphics kits. So I'm gonna go ahead, start working on mine. I'm not gonna film the entire thing just because I'm assuming it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna just show you the final product. So let me go ahead, jump on here so you can see Motocal. I'm gonna go ahead, start working on some stuff, show you guys the final product. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I finally think I've finished this full design right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically give you guys a sneak peek on everything before they actually show up. So here they are. Just a quick little walk around right there. I'm not gonna really dive in and show you everything, but as you can see, there's the graphics kit. I've done a lot of research, and obviously they don't have a SYXMOTO 125 on this website. They have like, the name brand bikes and stuff. But I went ahead and I kind of think that it's CRF 110F plastics for the 13 through 18. Those seem to be the same kind of plastics as what are on the SYXMOTO. Or if they're not the same, it looks like that's gonna work. So hopefully that's the case. I haven't seen anyone else really modify these SYXMOTOs, so I'm kind of, taking the leap here, just kind of guessing, but I've been pretty lucky on this channel so far, so hopefully my luck continues with the pit bike. But full graphics kit, and comes out to 122 right there. So I'm gonna go ahead now, order these graphics up, and then hopefully they arrive pretty quickly and we can get these things thrown on the bike. So I'll see you guys when these graphics actually show up. Okay guys, so the day is finally here. It's been just about 3 weeks since I placed the order for these graphics, and as you can see right here, we got them, baby. Right there, custom declaration, look at that. Hell yeah. So these graphics come from Ireland. So if you're in the US, expect, a little bit of a delay, especially with everything that's going on right now, COVID. Honestly, 3 weeks really isn't that bad if you think about it. They need to actually produce the graphics, then you need to ship them, it has to clear customs, then it has to get transported to your local postal service, then they finally get delivered. So considering these were ordered around the holidays and during COVID, only 3 weeks, that's pretty quick in my opinion. So we're gonna go ahead now, get these bad boys open up, and get this thing looking right. Not that it doesn't look good already, but it's gonna look even better now. yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm very happy right now. These are sick. These look even better than I was expecting. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get these things out of here so I can show you. I'm excited for you guys to see this. Okay guys, so here they are. So you can probably see now that they're printed, that the actual background is a black multicam camo. So that looks absolutely fucking sick. And then, you know, we got a bunch of random sponsors on there. Stella Artois, my favorite beer. Supreme, because it's fucking dope. GoPro, because I use one for all my videos. Fox, because I like Fox gear. I got Fox helmet, Fox gloves. Motorex, the oil is actually really good oil, and I really do like the color. Renthal, because I got some Renthal parts to install. GoPro, once again. Bang, because Bang is dope as well, and I drink that all the time. It works, it tastes good. 100%. I got goggles for them. Skull Candy, I just kind of like the logo, so I threw it on there. Adidas, I like Adidas. I've always liked this graphic design. I believe one of the factory KTM bikes or something is sponsored by Adidas, and I kind of got inspiration from that. Yoshimura in there, it's kind of a ghosted out with the logo, so that's kind of cool. Hugo Boss, because we fucking bosses, you know. NGK, use NGK spark plugs. You know, Fox again. Wimia, because Wimia is the best YouTube channel in the world. So yeah guys, that's it right there. Pretty freaking dope if you ask me. 23, my favorite number. Merc, baby. So that's what we got here. Okay, so first things first, we got to get all these graphics off. I'm gonna go ahead, use a heat gun, and just warm up the decals basically, just so I can peel them off a little bit easier. You can see right here, I didn't use a heat gun and it left some residue. So on the other side, I did use a heat gun, peeled off perfectly fine. So you want to get that adhesive a little bit warm, just so it peels off a little bit easier. So I'm not gonna make you guys watch that, I'm gonna time lapse it. So let's go. So there you go guys, as you can see, the bike is now officially blacked out and graphicsless. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks really dope completely blacked out like this. So these bikes come with black plastics from the factory, so honestly, it looks sick even like this. I left the swing arm graphics on there just because I don't have anything to replace those with yet, but blacked out with the Yoshi pipe, with the red accents, that's a vibe too. So now that we have all the graphics off, I'm gonna go ahead, wipe these down and clean them using some alcohol. So just to get all the debris off of there, get this little bit of excess adhesive that was left on there, and then we can go ahead, start lining up the graphics. I did do a little bit of a test fit, just kind of lining them up, and it seems like more or less, it's about a 90% fit. So, you know, that's pretty good. I'm just gonna have to do a little bit of trimming and modifying, but you know, that's gonna be easy enough. So let me go ahead, wipe this down, and we can start installing these things. Okay guys, so got the first few pieces on there, the little front forks covers. This one, I had to trim out a little piece right there for the brake line bracket. Super simple to do, just put it up there, make a little template, cut it out, you know, good to go. Then it looks nice and clean. So this side, actually I did perfectly, and then this side, it's a little bit skewed because as you can see, it's not a perfect match. So, you know, worst comes to worst, I just, you know, throw them on there. It looks good nonetheless. So let's keep it going and now start on the fairings. guys, so it's actually quite a bit later. The GoPro just died on me, but we are done with the graphics install, and I gotta say, I absolutely love it. So you're underneath like LED lights right now. Just want to give you a quick look at it before I fast forward to tomorrow and you see it out in the daylight. But oh yeah, I absolutely love it. It's sick. Give you a quick little walk around here. The kit was honestly pretty simple to install. Also, I want to say, I know the way you saw me installing this, it is not the correct way to properly install graphics like this. If this was an actual kit fit 100% for these plastics, I would definitely be installing it a different way by, lining up one side, cutting off half of the backing paper, sticking down the middle, then working from the outside. That's how you correctly do it. But since this is kind of like retrofitting, I more or less just had to go with it and make things fit. But honestly, all in all, it fit really well, and the kit was super simple to install. So just a quick walk around. I love that, it's so sick. Again, I showed you those earlier. Those aren't perfect fits, but they fit fine. Front number plate, that was kind of a pain in the ass to install as well, since again, it's not a perfect fit, so you really just kind of have to play with it, trying to get it lined up all evenly, but it looks pretty good. Side fairing, I love this, it's sick. I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to install the little perforated part, but I installed it for now. We'll see how long it lasts, but absolutely awesome. I also got something made for over here. Just don't know if I want to install them yet. There are these little, looks pretty dope. That's gonna look pretty cool right there. But I'm gonna hold off on those until you guys see this out in the sunlight. So let's go ahead and fast forward to tomorrow. All right, everyone. So here we have it. Here is the bike outdoors. Sorry if it's a little windy, guys. It's windy today, obviously. So there it is. You can see I went ahead and threw those graphics on there. It's like oil slick. I think that's super cool. I ended up taking off these swing arm graphics just because I thought it was a little bit too much, but yeah, super stoked, super sick. I don't know if it's coming through all too well on the GoPro, but hopefully you guys can see it. I need to peel that out from there, but super happy with the outcome. Looks great. So yeah, guys, that's the new graphics kit for the SYXMOTO 125. So again, these were ordered on Motocal website, custom designed, super easy to do. Go check them out if you're looking for graphics. So with that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Like always, appreciate you guys supporting and checking out the channel. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.